Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what I'm doing today? Yep, you guessed it right. I'm gonna do a replacement of the Android radio for the second time. Remember the other video I was showing you how to install the radio for the 2015 Rav4? Well, guess what? The old radio, the one I replaced from the video, is 2 gig of RAM and 64 gig of storage, and it's a 4-core CPU. Well, I took it out and returned it. Well, the problem is it's too slow, it's lagging, and it's freezing if you do multiple stuff at the same time. Like I said before, don't waste your money on the low end one because it's not gonna work out. It's not good enough for the Android, the latest Android software. So today I'm gonna replace it. Look, you're just gonna waste, maybe you're just gonna pay more, maybe 30-40 bucks more, but you get a really good unit, right? So this, the new one I got, basically it's everything the same except the hardware itself. The hardware is, this one is 6 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage. Okay, so this is supposed to be, and then this is 8 core. Okay, the other one's 4 core, this is 8 core. So this should be very snappy and very good. So I don't have to give you more detail on how to install this. You can watch the other video. It's basically the same instruction how to install it. I will go ahead and install the whole thing, and then I will show you the boot up and see how this performs. So the other one, when I do the testing, is when I'm driving on the freeway and I'm using Google Map, it's lag a lot, and then it's also crashed on me a couple of times. So basically, if I'm using Google Map, it's almost unusual. Okay, so that's not good. So you want to buy some stuff, you want to pay money, pay money so you can get a work usable product, right? And if it's continually crashing on you and not working, then why bother paying the money for it, right? It's supposed to be useful and it's not, then that's out of the question. So I did the return. Now I got this new one. It costs, this one I bought it from eBay. It costs $149. So basically it's very similar unit except the hardware is more powerful. All right, so I'll go ahead and do the installation and I will show you at the end how it performs. Okay, all right, so be right back. Okay, you guys, I got everything done, and let me show you why. This is the reason why I keep telling you guys to upgrade. Do not buy an Android unit that is under 4 gig of RAM, at least 8 core CPU processor, and at least 4 gig of RAM. Because as you remember from my last installation with a 2 gig and 64 gig of storage, totally slow, crashed all the time, like I said before, and never work right. Okay, every time if I open Google Map, it will be super slow, and then when I'm driving and using Google Map, it's crashed on me a couple of times. So that's why I hate it. So don't waste your money buying something that is 4 core or 2 gig of RAM. Okay, at least you need 8 core and 4 gig of RAM. Okay, not 2. Okay, so anything above 4 gig of RAM, and you need 8 core processor. Okay, so this is the reason why. let me put up the video from the last time that I installed the 2 gig, the 4 core CPU with the 2 gig of RAM that was crashing all the time. Let me show you a small screen so let you see between that one and this one. As you can see, I open this to see how fast Google map loading up. As you can see, it's loading up really fast. As you can see that. So I hope you can see the comparison between the old one versus this new one. This one is 6 gig of RAM and 8 core processor, 6 gig of RAM, and 128 gig of storage. So this one is excellent. Got everything work great. As you can see, my favorite screen, live wallpaper is beautiful. Everything working great. Um, all the function work great. As you can see, um, radio work great. Let's go back. Video work great. It's automatically gonna play the video. As you can see, you got music work great. As you can see, so everything worked exactly like the way I want it. The camera work, everything work, and it's a lot faster. Even though I open a whole bunch of screen, it worked great. As you can see right here. Let's go. You can do split screen. Let's see. See, split screen. So you can listen to music while you are driving with the GPS. So that's pretty cool, right? As you can see, everything worked great. Everything looked beautiful. As you can see, the screen, the wallpaper, and everything looked nice. As you scroll, see how fast it's go. It's just super nice, and I love it. So that's the reason why. Like I said before, I'll keep repeating myself, but this is how you want it. If you want to have your system and you're happy about it, 4 gig of memory, 4 gig of RAM, and then at least 8 core CPU, okay? 8 core. 8 core processor, and at least 4 gig of memory or RAM, okay? Storage doesn't matter, 64, 128 is fine, but at least you need, I keep repeating myself like a broken record, but at least you need 8 core processor and 4 gig of memory, okay? That's your minimum requirement if you want to get this Android unit that work great for your car, okay? As you can see, look at this, it's so beautiful. I mean, just staring at this make your day a lot better. So that's it. Just want to show you how nice it is and how great it is. Everything worked fine. Everything worked great. All the function worked well. I have no problem. Steering wheel, the steering key, everything work like it should. If also, yeah, if you want to make your life a lot easier, buy the unit with the canvas. Okay, buy the unit with the canvas. Okay, when you plug it in, everything is just work as default. Okay, you don't have to need to configure anything like that if you buy with the canvas. Okay, if you buy without the canvas, you're gonna have a lot of problems. So make sure you buy a system, the radio Android head unit with canvas included. Okay, those things gonna cost like maybe $10 more. So make sure you get that and make your life a lot easier. That's the reason why you should buy it. Is basically just plug and play. You plug it in, everything is already set up for you, and all you do is just drive and enjoy your Android radio. All right, so I'm bragging too long. I'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully you find this useful if you're thinking about getting a AliExpress or any of those Chinese Android radio installed on your Rav4. All right, So this is 2015 RAV4. So that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.